we told you that understanding the past of a property could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars today. Stay tuned as we reveal how we turned a potential real estate nightmare into a dream come true for our client right here in Queens.
Hello everyone, I'm Alejandra.
And I'm Elias from Empire Fine Homes. And today we're thrilled to share with you a remarkable story from right here in Queens, New York that not only demonstrates the depth of service that we provide here at Empire Fine Homes, but also highlights why the expertise in real estate really matters.
Dealing with the building department's routine for us, whether it's addressing open permits, resolving violations, or clarifying occupancy legality. We are here to guide our clients through every step, but what some homeowners might not know is that properties built prior 1938 didn't originally require certificate of occupancy.
Recently, we took on the sale of a 4-family home built in 1925. Unfortunately, past attempts to secure a letter of no objection from the building department were unsuccessful. Rejected 4 times, in fact, this home was being sold by the heirs of the deceased owner, and initially it seemed like a lost cause that could cost our client a lot of money.
But giving up isn't in our vocabulary at Empire Fine Homes. We dove into intensive research, ordering the soundboard map, a new survey, a certified HPD ID card. With all of this information, we reapplied for the letter of no objection. To our dismay, it was rejected again. We didn't stop here. I met with a field examiner and later even with the commissioner of the building department in Queens. We reviewed every piece of evidence and finally something that had been overlooked came to light, providing the property was indeed built as a 4-family home.
Just 2 days later, we received the approval letter of no objection. This approval significantly raised the value of the property, saving our client hundreds of thousands of dollars.
This story perfectly illustrates why who you work with matters, especially when it comes to handling one of the biggest assets you may ever own. It's not just about selling, it's about providing the right solutions and fighting for the best outcome.
Thanks for joining us for this incredible journey. If you like the story and want more insights and real estate tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember, with Empire Fine Homes, you're never alone in your real estate journey.